this is the floor of a company who did lots of snow plowing and salting this week. And last week too. But don't worry. You know Crunchy Cleaning by Kathy is going to get it all nice and cleaned up without ruining these beautiful floors. Further on it. I just wanted to show you. Flat mop and a plant-based cleaner. And it gets that salt and dirt right off. Watch this. You gotta make sure the electrical outlet is closed first. And it comes right off. And then I'm going to take this mop pad off and then put on a clean one. It gets in between chairs. I'm going to put the chairs back after it's done drying. And it dries pretty quickly too. You see that? Crunchified Clean! Beautiful clean wood floors. No need for harsh toxic chemicals. No need for chemicals that are going to strip the finish. I've been mopping these floors for over 6 years. 7 years actually. Yeah. And look at them. And they take a beating. They take a beating. And I get them Crunchified Clean.